All right, what is going on, YouTube? And welcome back to the Trader Shop with me, T. Hobbs. And of course, you know I got my man Jay Seals in the building. What's going on, brother?
What's up, everybody?
Hey, man. Whew. It's an absolute bloodbath. Today is Wednesday, July 17th, 2024, year of our Lord. And it is the day that the market chose violence while you were sleeping, or maybe you were awake. I was sleeping for sure. But you know, different coasts, different schedules for different folks. Like maybe y'all was awake, but the NASDAQ got busy to the downside. ES got busy to the downside. I mean, we're looking at a 66-point drop on ES. We're looking at a 330-point drop on that was weird. On the NASDAQ, right? So if you caught it, good on you. You should be done trading. There's nothing left for you to do if you caught the top of this thing. Trust and believe that. But as per usual, you guys already know, before we get into the pre-market plan, we got to do some housekeeping. For those that haven't heard the advertisement, first and foremost, please make sure you tip the barbers, aka hit the like and subscribe button, turn those notification bells on so you get notified every time we go live and or put out a video. Also, if you're using prop firms, specifically Apex, there is a Apex discount code scrolling across the bottom of the screen. If you like what you see, you want to support the channel, and you don't want to cost yourself any extra money by doing so, go ahead and get you a prop firm account and then just use our code. We get a little bit of kickback from that, and we'll appreciate that. Secondly, if you watch the YouTube live streams, go check out the videos as well. Justin does a really good job, one, of recording his journey, talking about his struggles in trading, talking about his wins, his losses, all that good stuff in his trading journey. In addition, he also does educational videos on prop firms. Each and every prop firm video that he conducts, he also leaves an affiliate code in the bottom in the description of those videos. So if you use prop firms, again, whichever one you use, and you want to have some education on those prop firms, please make sure you use that discount affiliate code link in the description of his videos. And then last but not least, if you enjoy the way we trade, if you like the education that we provide, if you're interested in learning how to trade order flow, you're interested in learning how to read market structure, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera, or you just need a strong community, somebody you can chop it up with about trading. At the end of the day, our community in the Discord is available for you guys at $15 per week and $40 per month. For the time being, that price will go up as we become more and more profitable traders. All right, now that we got the advertisement shit out of the way, let's get busy. Let's talk about this market, man. This is absolute crazy. First of all, good morning, Justin. Let me start there. I don't want to be rude. Good morning, sir. How are you doing?
Good morning.
How was your night?
I actually got some sleep last night, but I kind of have a headache right now, so I'm kind of like trying to fight through. I don't know if there's energy drinks that help or not. Y'all know I'm an energy drink fanatic. I need an energy drink to get the morning started, so I'm just trying to like press through. My head is killing me right now, but I'll be all right. But yeah, we had a really good session in the Discord last night. You know, talking through that psychology piece. And then spent a little bit more time looking at Bookmap and the charts, and then I went to sleep. So it was a good night.
Dope. Small suggestion. Energy drinks don't help. That's number one. It's not if they help or not. They don't help.
Caffeine is supposed to help.
No, they don't. Empty stomach is the worst thing you can do, is take caffeine and sugar on an empty stomach.
I actually had breakfast this morning. I have some left over. Some I don't know if y'all can see it. Some bread and some
good. So now you can go take some medication, right? Maybe like a Motrin, or a Tylenol to help with the headache.
Yeah,
So
my head-
good.
my
I'm
head-
glad you're eating. I'm glad you're eating. That's good.
Yeah,
All
I
right,
normally
so-
skip breakfast, but
Yes, you do. Yes, you do. If you want to share your screen, because I'm gonna call on you to do ES here in a little bit, you get that propped up there. All right, so all right, now that the dust has settled, let's jump into the pre-market plan for the NASDAQ, all right? Because that's what most of you guys are trading. I'm probably gonna stick to US 30 today. I really like, the movement on it. I like when it makes a decision, how it moves. I like the lack of choppiness. I'm just falling in love with it, guys. Sorry, right? Current conditions on the NASDAQ, though, we're in the markdown phase, right? What it means is we consolidated over a 2-day period, 3-day period if you count Friday. We were unable to break above the all-time high. Therefore, we need to trade down and find more participants. So we're in that markdown phase after a consolidation. And then we're bullish above 20,016. So as long as we're above this range, I'm not really worried about the bulls that much. Once we start breaking below some of this significant structure, I believe this structure is important on the weekly time frame too. So I'll have to double check that. But we're bearish as long as we stay below previous day low, which is at 20,465.25. Macro, we finally broke out of the range and the result was distribution. This was further supported by a spike in the volatility index. I will look to play bullish retracements into structure, higher time frame, right? Or wait for retest of bearish levels to play short, okay? So we're gonna go over those bearish levels and those bullish levels. So 4-hour demand is the first bearish level, but that's a really far cry. But I mean, it's in queue, so I mean, you do it every fucking once, right? So 20,465 through 20,602 is the first area I'd be looking to short the market back down. And I'd be looking to target this 2-hour or this 4-hour demand that we're currently sitting in price at 20,284 through 20,213. I don't know why that's not coming. I guess, again, I write these shits early, man. I'd be making typo mistakes. But anyway, so bullish. The first area I'm looking to be bullish is exactly where price is right now. Right, I'd be looking for longs from 284 to 212, and we can look to long the market targeting the 4-hour supply / previous day low. I don't know why this says 28. You know what? I just did some crazy shit this morning, but forgive me. But basically, I'm looking for a 4-hour supply previous day low retest at 4,000 or 20,465. And then to the extreme low, if buyers come down here, I'm going to be looking for buyers to defend the 4-hour demand at 20,016 through 19,916.75. I want to look to get long, targeting the previous demand at 20,284. Not expecting price to come all the way back up to previous day low. But from here, I think it'd be a good target to target midnight, previous day low, all that good stuff, right? So I'd be looking for either consolidation or an aggressive move. The one thing I told the Discord, though, if you trade supply and demand today, pay attention to what the volatility index is doing, because as long as it's pumping these demand zones, it can just be fuel for the rally down further. I'm not giving up on the bullish case. I think it's just more cap, right, for us to go higher, right? So this sell-off doesn't really shock me much. I would say that the gold is going absolutely insane. So if you're trading gold, this thing's ready to pop, right? Back above, set a new all-time high last night, which is crazy. But anyway, I digress. So let's go into the YM, because that's what I am actually trading. So YM is very, very different from that of the NASDAQ or ES. It actually put in a very aggressive uptrend yesterday instead of the downtrend, right? Therefore, I'm going to be looking for buyers to continue this uptrend. So the current condition is in the markup phase after an aggressive consolidation, which was the opposite of what happened to the NASDAQ. The NASDAQ consolidated from Monday to Tuesday and it went down. The YM consolidated Monday and Tuesday and the result was up. Therefore, this instrument is in the markup phase, which is why I also like it, because y'all know I'm like a bull anyway, right? So I'm bullish above the daily fib at 40,970. If you guys don't know what that is, I take the fib, I fib out the daily candle from yesterday, and then I mark that on my chart every day, and that's the 50% level right there. So as long as we're above 50% of yesterday's trading, then I'm looking to be more bullish than bearish. If we break below 4,000 or 40,970, I can look to target shorts back into the low that brought the high, right? So I'm bearish as long as we're below the all-time high or previous day high at 299, 304, or whatever it was, right? So macro, after a huge rally yesterday, I'll be looking for bulls to continue what they started. Money seems to be rotating out of tech temporarily and into the industrial sector. So I will look to be bullish on the Dow Jones, right? You know, Hobbs likes to find a bull market, man. It's in my nature. I don't know what's wrong with me, but fuck it. Embrace it. Know who you are, right? So bullish. Look for buyers to defend the 1 hour demand zone at 41,157 through 41,012. And we can look to long the market targeting true day at 41,289. Okay. If we break below here, I talked about this in the Discord as well. So if we get below this 1 hour demand zone, then I'll kind of treat this as resistance, i.e. daily fib area here. I'll treat this as resistance, look for a retest, and then I'm going to be looking for a massive short back into the previous day low, right? Which essentially is just the high or the low that brought the high, okay? All right, so moving on, the next plan that I have is this bullish plan here. If we come back to the low that brought the high, which is what the market should do, 40,626, which is a pretty massive drop, through 40,461, we can look to then go back and get long, and then I'll be looking to target daily fib first, and then 41,041 or 157, and then all the way back up to all-time highs, and then infinity and beyond. All right. That's my plan on YM and the NASDAQ. I'll pass it to Jay Seals so he can drop the ES knowledge on you guys.
All right. So
you didn't share your screen?
I'm sharing it right now. If I shared my screen, it was gonna take yours off. So I was just like, yeah.
Oh no, I was cool with it. I just, you know, so you had it already propped up there. It's all good.
Okay. It takes 2 seconds. All right. So for ES, my main level that I was watching was 56,666, aka the mark of the beast, aka the devil number. If you take away the 5, and that level is acting like the devil right now because it's stopping these buyers from getting any higher. So as long as they're below 5,666, I want to look to be bearish and not bullish. If we can if we can reclaim that level, then I do want to look to be a bull after we come back down and put it in some retest or a higher low, just kind of holding above that 5,666 level. My bullish target would be 56,000 or 56,000, 5,690.25. It's just the previous low of day first. And then I think the midnight price is like all the way up here at like 57.10 or something like that. I mean, we've seen stranger things. We could definitely get back up there since we have sold off a lot, but the overall trend is still the downside and we haven't broken. So as long as we're below 56, I keep saying that, 5,666, as long as we're below there, I want to look to be a bear, but I just want to be cautious of I'm about to say it again, 5,644 and 25 cents, because that area is strong demand where we got this rally on the 12th of July. So if we do come back down there, it'll kind of be a first target for me if I'm already short. And then I'll look to hold runners as we continue to try to break. Since we are so bearish currently, I don't really want to step in front of these bears, and we could just continue to get more selly. I don't really expect us to come back up to the previous high of day or previous low of day and then me try a short up there, but that could be an area to get short if we do come back up and retest. I think when I fibbed it out, it's almost 50% of this entire drop here. So it could be an area where sellers look to reload if we do end up coming back up. But I'm trying to take the longs back up there anyway. So that's pretty much my plan. We are starting to break out of this range that we've been in on ES and NQ to the downside. So I think a lot of people may be trying to look long and they may get trapped while trying to long this market since we did sell off so much in the overnight session. So just got to be careful of that. But longs definitely are valid in these areas if we can find buyers. So that's what I'm looking at for ES.
Yeah, absolutely. It could be trap city. So just be careful. And to further illustrate that point, I wanted to discuss a couple things. One, the stock market is in a straight free fall. There has been no sign of buyers since yesterday evening, aggressively pushing down. And I get it. Normally, this is a sign. Oh, my bad. Normally, this is a sign that, the market's going to pop back up. However, the other thing I wanted to point out is the volatility index. So you guys know I'm big on reading the volatility index. If you read my top-down analysis, there was one scenario where I said I would start to become bearish, and that scenario was based off the daily time frame, right? So on Friday, we had put in this long wick here, and then we started to make this wick down here. I think it was like on the 4 hour or something like that. So on Friday, we were here. We closed the day here. So we were analyzing this on Sunday, and I said, this consolidation down here, because we swept this low and we put in this high right here, I said, once we swept this low, I expected consolidation down here and then a potential rally to take this high. That's why I had this line drawn all this week. I've been talking about 1445, right? So as long as we're above 45 on the VIX, I expect more selling to come out of this market. You can see we're getting close to open, and this thing is getting very, very aggressive. The VIX has not participated in any sell-offs this entire rally, but now it's participating in this particular sell-off. So that's why I'm very cautiously trying to warn people, hey, be careful looking to long this market if you have support, if you have demand, if you got fair value gaps. Like it's not going to matter to the market, right? The market is going to facilitate price no matter what happens, right? So if you're looking at this with bullish eyes, I get it. A 60-point sell-off, 400-point sell-off, let's get long. Yeah, it usually works, right? But I'm just looking at the landscape of the market, and it's not pointing to get long. It's telling me that this may just be the first leg, right? So I feel a due diligence to let you guys know, do whatever you want, but I'm just telling you, I'm being very, very cautious when it comes to long in this market today, just because of all of the information that I depend on is screaming at me that this may not be over, right? So that being said, let's jump right into the comment section and let's holler at the people in the building. So what's going on, Asian Munda? I don't think we've seen you in here before, so we'll drop a bomb for you stopping by. I hope you enjoy the show. Please make sure you hit the like and subscribe button, aka tip the barbers is what we call it in here. We keep a barbershop theme, so we try to give everything a barbershop name. Good morning, Void. We got Mad Moxie in the building. Welcome back. Welcome back. I seen you over there cheating on us with Traders Anonymous. I fuck with them dudes though. They pretty cool. They funny guys over there. Very, very funny. Some jackass says good morning. Good morning, some jackass. Hey, I just started off. TraderBait is halted for me. Is it for you guys? I'm not using TraderBait. I'm using Top Step X, but I can poll the Discord members. Is anybody having trouble with TraderBait this morning? I think everybody in Discord is actually using Top Step. Eddie might be using TraderBait. TraderBait.
Nah, he uses he does use TraderBait, but he uses it through TradingView. Nah, TraderBait's been having problems for everybody. It's been an ongoing issue with TraderBait and Rhythmic, which, funny enough, how do you trade if you're not using those two? But yeah, no, they've been having problems.
Working? Okay. It's about 50-50 in the Discord, so you might be a part of the negative 50%. Eric said, did Apex get us straight? Yes, we got our money. Thank you guys so much for using those codes because it really helps. Brother be broke until I start making some money from trading, right? So we appreciate you guys from dropping a little bread in our pocket. We appreciate that. And Apex did get us straight yesterday. The money came through yesterday morning. So iBomb says coffee, straight black, no sugar. Ugh. And water. Ugh. And 2 moisture. Ugh. Sound like a survival kit for a broke motherfucker. Start this day off with a coffee, black, no sugar, water, and 2 Motrin. Damn. Good morning, fam. How you doing? NQ experienced the Trump dump. Yeah, the fake out, the fake dump. Just kidding. They looking for lower prices before the next rally in September when they make the cut rate meeting. Yeah, could be. I mean, this could just be a temporary sell-off. Getting ready for. Don't forget, we got tech earnings for the next 2 weeks. The market's going to be in tech earnings. So the fact that ES rallied crazy off bank earnings makes sense, but now they could just be selling it off now to get ready for tech earnings, right? So next week, I think we got Apple, Microsoft, and Google kicking it off, and maybe Meta. And then the following week, we got, it's not Apple. I think it's Microsoft, Google, and Meta kick it off next week. We got Netflix on Friday, and then the following week we got Apple, and then 2 weeks later we get Nvidia. So the market could just be selling off, waiting for that. I don't count these bulls out for shit, but today is interesting because the VIX is pumping. So I would like to see maybe we get a retracement on the VIX to come back down to the low that brought the high, which would make sense. So the market can get kind of bullish. I don't know. I'm just going to play it by ear. There's nothing for me to do right now. I tried taking a long on YM. I cut it for a small loss earlier this morning, and now I'm just being patient. So I thought we were ready to push out, and you get that FOMO from what happened yesterday. I kind of acted on it. I lost $90. No big deal. I was only in one contract. Good morning, John. Dang, twins. Good morning. Mad Moxie. Yeah. I've been seeing you. I be over there. You know what I mean? When me and Justin don't stream, I'll go over there and chill in they chat, or I go back and watch all their live streams, and I'll look at the chat and I'll be like, Mad Moxie, cheating ass. You can't trust nobody in this industry. I'll just kidding. It's like, watch who you want, man. Support everybody if you could. You know what I mean? Like, I support them. He does these market prep daily market preps, and be like 4 people in there, and sometimes I'll come in there and just give my analysis as well, because I mean it's all about growth, right? Like there's more than enough money out here for everybody. You just got to try to grow. And we talked about potential collaboration, but I don't know if that'll end up working out. But yeah, it's all about growth. You support everybody, that you support people who support you. So good morning, David. Justin's dropping the link for Trader Bait. Oh, okay, he's adding age. Okay, dope. Oh, that's right. You can check the status. I forgot about that. I ain't traded Trader Bait in so long. Boy says, Ayo Hobbs, don't judge my breakfast coffee with a cigarette and you ready to right? Yo, like, y'all don't know, man. I used to smoke cigarettes. I used to smoke Black and Milds. I used to have whiskey every day. Like, I'm a refined human being, right? So, but don't think that I don't feel you. I feel you. Like, I know what that shit be like. I used to wake up and go outside and smoke before I did anything else. Brush my teeth, scratch my ass, pee, whatever. I go outside and smoke and be peeing outside just to get 2 things done at once. I know what it is, man. That nicotine, once that nicotine gets you, man, it got you. And then you go from cigarettes and you tell yourself, all right, I'm just smoke Black and Milds, So, because, it's not, at least I'm not smoking as much. Shit. A Black and Mild is like 10 cigarettes. So I started smoking blacks. Then I put the blacks down and went to vapes. Next thing you know, I got like my whole freaking trash can is just full of vapes. I was like, all right. And then something happened with my son, right? My oldest son. And that was the last straw for me. Like once I saw that my behavior was affecting things that he was doing, I went cold turkey. I kid you not. Like, you ask my wife, I haven't touched that shit in over a year, right? Like I went. And it sucked too, because my mouth was so numb. I found out that I needed a root canal, but I didn't know because I was vaping so much, it was numbing my gums. So I had to go through a lot of pain, right? It would have felt better if I would have just picked up a vape, but I just refused to do it because I love my kids over everything. So if you ever want to quit, man, find out what makes you, what really does it for you, and just go cold turkey because of it. And my son was more important than anything to me, so I just stopped. Good morning, Sanjay. Looking to see how the U.S. indices fall affects crypto. I haven't checked out crypto this morning. I tell you one thing, the VIX is at 1470. I expect the sell-off to keep going. Like, I don't know how Justin looking at this shit, but I was looking at this thing like, until that VIX starts to come down, it's flirting with 70 and 71. Maybe it's waiting on ES to hit that 56.46 level before it pops back up, but respect for moving nicotine from your it sucked. I had to literally like lock myself up for like 3-4 days, man. That shit is like, I was getting the shakes, I was getting massive headaches, like it was bad. Like trying to get that shit out of your system sucked. But then I started replacing it with sugar, so I started eating a lot of like oatmeal cream pies and stuff like that, like just trying to curb the urge to want to smoke something, right? And then once I went through like the first month, I started working out, right? I started going for walks, and my feet was swelling up. I had to put my feet in ice, bro. It was crazy. I went through a lot, man, a lot. And now I'm just now getting back to the point where I'm consistently walking every day. And maybe next month, I think I'm gonna start going back to the gym since I've been paying Planet Fitness for the last God know how long and haven't been there. So I think I'm gonna start working out, try to get this old body back in shape. You know what I mean? And it's all about just replacing the bad with good. Because there's one thing that I used to be an X-ray tech. There's one thing one of my bosses told me, because we do chest X-rays on smokers all the time, right? He was like, bro, like, why do you smoke? I was like, I smoke because it makes me feel good. It relieves me. He's like, he said there's a lot of things that could kill you, might kill you, that are dangerous, but he said the one thing that for sure about nicotine and cigarettes is that it will kill you. It's just a matter of time. And I was like, damn. That shit made so much sense to me, because I'm like, damn, like, this shit is gonna kill you, right? Like, you're literally committing suicide every day by doing that shit. And I'm not knocking nobody for doing it, because like I said, I used to do it. But I'm just telling you, like, this shit is gonna kill you. It's just a matter of time. Like, when you really think about that, like, it's crazy. So is TraderVate working for you guys with orders? I'm trading with my funded futures and it's not working. Justin put a link, Asian Munda. So if you want to follow that link, it'll give you the status of TraderVate.
Everything is up for TraderVate, but all the people on the prop firms across like the landscape, because I checked for you, they're all saying they're having problems with TraderVate. So
yeah,
it's not just a you thing.
Yeah. So Voice says all about habits that transfer into your trading and being a better human. Yeah, I mean, trading has forced me to try to be a better human, right? And it's one thing I preach to, my Discord members, Justin, if you'll listen, right? But trading is going to force you to be somebody different. If you truly want to be successful in trading, you're not going to be the same person you were when you started this journey. But until you realize that you have to transform, you're going to continue to be the same person, right? If you're doing the same shit that you did when you started this trading journey and nothing has changed, then you probably aren't seeing much progress. But if you've grown to something different, you've morphed into something else, you become more disciplined, right? Like you started changing your habits. You started taking away things that you used to do, right? You'll start to realize that's exactly what you need to do in your trading journey, right? And it'll start to reflect that, right? I need to stop in the market before it's ready, right? I need to stop shorting the market before it's ready. I need to stop moving my stop loss. I need to stop cutting trades that are in profit and taking losses on trades that are not in profit, right? Those are things that require habit change, right? And if you're not doing that, you're going to be the same trader you were last year, the year before that, the year before that, and that trader is not profitable. So I'm trying to change my habits every single day. I'm trying to think about ways I can change my real life to in turn translate to my trading life. So,
well, the market's about to open, right? Meow. What? You're supposed to be taking a day off. You said that yesterday. You said I'm taking a day off.
So you looked at I thought you wasn't even here. I didn't even know you was in the building. He said, but then YM. what YM got to do with any of this? Yeah. He saw what I wrote in the chat this morning. I said, that shit dead. I said, I'm not fucking with NQ today. That's the same thing I said. I looked at NQ. I said, bro, I'm not touching this shit today. This thing could probably be a consolidation all day. All right, there goes YM off to the races, bright and early, just like we thought, just like we called it out in the pre-market plan. Woo! Almost done for the day here. Bro, I thought my shit froze too. I was like, shit. All right. Ish moving, baby. Shout out to Pitt for that New York Open sauce. That inside of that macro, it gives you that NYAM print. And I just kind of was like looking at that and kind of following that. Market kind of really like respected that shit. I was like, okay.
Oh, right. Yep. If you're trading Top Step in the Discord, they're talking about it, and I see it too. The chart is freezing. I don't know what's going on, but my chart is also freezing on me as well. So y'all know.
Top step X or
Yeah. Is it affecting your fills or no? Yeah. Hobbs, your trade okay? I know you're in top step X.
yeah, I'm good. I'm good.
No.
He like, I know I can hit my profit target. That shit's way up there. Look at YM outperformed these two. The sector is definitely rotating, guys. They are definitely rotating money out of tech into the industrials. Look at that. You can clearly see it. Look at this shit. Almost to my profit target here. Yeah, we friend. I'm almost done. I'm about to be done for the day. So easy. Let's go. All right. 41289. I'm long 4168. 4169. Profit target is 41289, and I'm done for the day in this account. This thing looks like it might want to push though. I'm gonna let it keep smoothing. This thing is going, bro.
Yeah, my top of X is looking okay. It's a little bit slow though.
This shit going, bro. This shit going. What you say, Jay?
Oh,
all right. There's true day tap right there. I'm gonna just take one contract off. I'm gonna take one contract off.
I don't know why y'all top step X is working fine because mine is definitely not. Mine's definitely tripping.
Yeah, I'm
good. that is facts. They probably will give money back.
All right, I'm all done for the day. I just took one contract off up there at midnight. I'm gonna let this runner print and yeah, let's see what happens. All done. Here we go. Just like we wrote it up, baby. Just like we drew it up. Come on, push. I ain't letting this runner go today. I'm gonna let this thing do his God's work. This thing is sending. All right. Yeah, you fooled me yesterday, YM. You wouldn't get me with that shit again today. I wouldn't have studied your ass. All right, we're good. All done for the day, guys. I'm letting the runner bait. US 30 pays us again. I mean, come on. Where can you make 30 seconds of the day?
Straight up.
I'm telling y'all, get off of NQ. I'm gonna convert the whole world to YM. Why you gonna fuck around and convert that shit? They fucking they not.
Yes, is taking off too. Yes, is rallying its ass off right now. Nah, it's up about like 15 right now, something like that. Yeah, it rallied about 15 points at open.
Yeah, I don't even need a TP, bro. I don't even need a TP. Yeah, I'm pretty much done. Yeah, I took too many, so I took the one contract off. I'm letting the rest ride. I think we could have one of those days again. So.
Yeah, this is the man, trading this, it scares me when these candles aren't moving the way they should. I don't know what the fill is gonna look like on Top Step X.
Yeah, facts. No fear. You know they're gonna give you money back. That ain't gonna give you your money back, bro. He says the best time to take a trade. Yeah. Oh shit. Take a L. Top Ten gonna give it all back like it never happened, baby. Like it never happened. Yeah, lack of buying up here at these highs. I expected some resisting at the. That was the overnight resistance, so I expected some resistance here. I'm not worried about it. Especially if the other index. I mean, you see this 15-minute candle? Yeah, dude, we gotta give this whole thing back for me to get scared. Look at NQ fucking doing nothing. Jesus. Yes, looks good though.
Yes, it's looking good to reject this level.
Yeah, I told you, I said it this morning. I said I want to go back to bed if I'm trading NQ. Who got YM mad like that? Bro, I don't know, but I was waiting on that ass. I was like, yeah, I'm looking for longs right now. Right now. Yeah, I'm done for the day, guys. I've been waiting a minute for this sell-off. Yeah. Just be careful on NQ, man. It looks like it's still going. NQ's still coming down.
Yeah, I think ES is about to come down too. I'm waiting to short it. I just want to see how this 5-minute candle closes.
And here we to the moon. That's bro, done in the first minute. That's crazy. That's crazy, bro. Done. Ooh. Yeah. Yeah, that was straight out of the pre-market plan, guys. Like that was exactly how we drew it up. Right into true day. Took profit at true day, and now we just sit and ride the rest of them out. See what happens. Can't lose on the trade now at all. Secured another green day here. I love Wednesdays. Fucking love them. On YM, I don't know about the rest of this shit. Look, my whole attitude changed. Every day's. Yeah. Look, Wednesdays on fucking YM is like, you know, hey, it's all good over here, baby. Oh man. All right, let's see how we come back into this 950 macro. I want to see us trade down into the macro. Yeah. Watching it very carefully up through here. Stops moved into profit, so can't give much back even on the runner. Yeah, if we give up this low here at 260, I'm out. All right, we're finding buyers at the lows. I'm good with that. Still buying. I think once we can clear 300 and start trading in the 300s, we'll be okay. If we give back all of this candle, it's not going to be good. NQ still coming down. ES is still dirtling. Yeah, this is why I said be very, very careful longing these instruments this morning, guys. Just be very careful.
I agree.
Already down another 70 points to start the day. So
Yeah, and ES has been, or not ES, NQ has been much, much weaker than ES has been. So,
Yeah, just be very careful. What's that? You sold the top? Nice. Oh, okay. Top of the top. I thought you said you sold the top. I'm like, oh, nice.
damn, bro, these candles are fucking with me mentally. It's like, the way that they're moving is fucking me up. But the P&L's working, so that's good.
Yeah, it's still holding. Like I said, my area to look for, if we give it up strongly, it's 263. If we give up 260, 263, be out. But I want to see it close below. So we'll see what happens. We got the macro coming up here. Hopefully we can hold above 260 going into the macro. Either way go, I'm locked in at profit, so can't hurt me.
Let's go.
Locking in 42 ticks on the runners here.
Bro, these candles on Tradeovate or on Tops of X are killing me with the lag. This is just
don't trade it.
Nah, I'm already in. Don't matter.
Oh, you already short?
Yeah. Yeah, I'm already short. The short's starting to print.
Okay. All right, here comes the test of 263. If we don't find buyers down here, I'm more inclined to let this go. Just the fact that we swept Asia and now we're coming down. Yeah, I'm all out here.
Yeah, on ES, I'm looking for us to break down below these wicks down here at in the 60s. If we can get below these wicks in the 60s, I think I'll be good to go. We're still kind of holding a little bit. So
I haven't hit the button yet. We didn't close below that low. I'm just gonna wait. We haven't broke it. So we broke it, but we didn't close it. Yeah, if we close below it, I'm cutting it. Yeah, bro, I literally, like, I had my shit hovering above the sell button. I'm like, bro, flatten all. But it's looking like they're still fighting. As long as they're still fighting, I'm gonna stay in the trade.
Had a nasty little pullback there on ES, but still looking good on these shorts. I think
Nah, I'm out right there. That's good.
NQ still trying to come down, so we're good.
I'm all out. I'll look to re-enter if they bring it down to the structure into the at 950. I'm all out of my runners. I'm done for the day on that particular account, which I'm very happy about. But I'm gonna switch accounts and potentially look to long this thing back up, because I think YM really wants to push, but I didn't want to give back much of that profit. That's a good day. I'll take that. Locking this account out and moving on.
Still hoping to see NQ push or ES push down below this level here. I'm struggling a little bit to get below the 60s, which is a little concerning, but we'll see what happens. We just continue to find buyers down here.
Yeah. Same thing on YM. Like, we're heading into this 950 macro. We're not breaking down. We're finding buyers at the lows. So we just got one sweep, second sweep. Maybe we get one more sweep of this 240 level, and then I'll look to re-enter on my other account here. Because I think this thing can still get going.
We're still finding buyers, but then every time we come up here, though, we get sellers.
Yeah, I don't think it's ready. I'm gonna wait for one more sweep. Oh, maybe not. Looks like we're about to get ready to go. I really want to wait to this 950 macro, man. I want to see us sweep this low inside of this 950 macro. But if we're taking the high by the time we get there, yeah, we're about to go. Something.
Yeah, I think ES is about to go too. I can't see.
If it's defective, man, just get out of there. We're at 56, 65, 25 right now. Use Trading View for your candles.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing.
Yeah,
I'm gonna go ahead and get out of this trade.
Yeah, you know if you're losing or winning.
Yeah.
Don't worry about how the candles are forming. You said it yourself. You don't need the candles. You use Bookmap, so fuck the candles.
Yeah, I wonder it got out. I don't like the way we were.
Yeah, I don't like shorting at the low or the current low. I'd rather wait till we come back up and then get short. Really? Oh, it's closing. It's closing trades like that. Damn, that sucks. Sorry, guys. I don't have any power over that. Don't be scared. Whatever. Look. Well, this is one thing I can tell you. Whatever Top Step fucks up today, they're gonna fix it. They're gonna make it right. They always do. They always do.
Probably.
I would not even worry about it. Like Top Step will make it right. All right, we're trading into this 950 macro. Let's see what happens. See what the market offers us here. I want to see us trade down to go up. So right into that 1 minute structure right there on YM at 232. I want to see us trade into that structure, sweep this low at 238, and then look for the market to put in a higher low right here, maybe 50% of this structure right here. So this high and this low right here. I'll be looking for longs inside of 214 is where what I really want to see happen right now.
I'm still liking shorts on ES. They're gonna reboot data services shortly, is what they just said on there.
Oh, they're doing it right now. Yeah.
Nah. I'm gonna trade because, like Valdez says, if you lose, they'll just reset it. So if it doesn't work out, it's fine because they'll just reset the losses.
Well, you should trade because the setup is there. Don't trade because you know what I mean. Like, don't trade expecting them to fix it. I'm just saying, thus far they've been really, really good at fixing it. That's all I'll say. Thus far they've been really. I'm not gonna try to depend on it, but thus far they usually make it right. So let me be clear on that. All right, Valdez, we're holding this fucking settlement really nicely, brother. I know you're still in this thing, but I'm looking to re-enter here. Oh, you took it long? Yeah, I got back in here too. We're just holding. I really want us to sweep that low, but I just don't think it wants to do it. Looking at the tape, it looks like we're just. Yeah, it just doesn't like to sweep those lows that last time. You know what I mean? Like, and we could have done it already on that 943 candle. We probably just swept the ultimate low right there on that 943 candle. That could have been our third tap. Okay, yeah, we're back in. We're back in YM longs on a new account here, just with one contract. Pushing back in. This is not good though. I really want to. I do want to see us reject though. I want to see this candle close bearish. I don't want to see this candle close bullish. I'm looking at this candle. I'm like, no. Go down. I'm good with a doji though. I know, but I want this candle to close bearish. Please don't close bullish. No. It looks so good on Bookmap. Yeah, we want 950 to close bearish. We do not want 950 to close bullish. No, you got 12 seconds. Stop it. Oh. All right, Bookmap still looks good. So who we gonna trust, Valdi? We gonna trust Ty, or we gonna trust the book? I'm going with the book. I'm going with the book over time right now. Because we definitely just came into that background. Yeah, if we start acting stupid, I'll close it, but I'm back in the longs. I was trying to wait for a pullback, but the book was just looking too strong. I'm like, man, fuck this. I'm getting in again. All right. It's looking too good, bro. I know. I don't even put stop losses on this. I mean, take profits on this thing anymore. It's just like, what for? Like the moon. What's your profit target? The moon, motherfucker. That's it. That's where we're going. Where we're going, we don't need rows. Let's go. Yo, I'm telling you, bro. Like, hey, man, stop trading that bullshit, y'all. Come on over to US 30, baby. You don't want nobody dancing all in your videos. You know what I mean? Like, come to death row.
Come to death row.
I swear to God, if fucking Top Step X resets this data and kicks me out of this trade, we're gonna have a conversation. Oh my God, look at this tape, bro. Like, you got to be kidding me. Yeah, I would need my friend. Oh no, Jay, you ain't telling me my son done it, Panther Brian. I'm sorry, son.
I wasn't watching the chat.
I'm sorry,
I was watching the.
It's Justin's fault.
It's not my fault.
Look, he keep telling me, Daddy, stop taking trades when you know I'm in Panther Pride. I'm like, I can't help it, man. The market's sprinting. Let's go. Hey, I'm about to retire the NASDAQ, bro. Like, retire the NASDAQ, bro. This shit about to get retired. Bro, where are we going today, bro? Like, what's 1% today? What's 1%? Let's shoot for 1%, Valdez.
Damn. Yes, does not want to sell off.
Yo, let's just shoot for 1%. I don't even know where 1%. What we get? We got 1.5. 1.5 is at 41.9. 1% is 41.696. Yo, we up another 100 handles, bro. Where? What the fuck? What is happening? All right, I gotta go, man. But I only got one contract. This is the dilemma. Yeah, I'm gonna go to break even. I don't want to, but I gotta go. I don't want to lose on the trade. I spent the block on a different account, man. But I'm not taking profit on this today. Yeah, I'll be back. Shut up, man. I'm not even gonna look. Just, hey, I'll be back, y'all. I'll be back, Jay.
All right.
Let me stretch this TP. All right, this thing looks aggressive. I'll be back.
Crazy. ES is already pushing out, which means NQ is about to go nuts. Oh yeah. Let me check NQ's tape. Yeah, looks like we're going to be bullish on the day for sure, on everything. Let's see what well, NQ is still just consolidating at these lows here. Meanwhile, man, YM is just going for it. Hmm. All right, I'm trying to long here on I'm trying to long here on NQ. We're in demand. We're holding. We've been consolidating down here. We've been finding buyers, so try a long. ES has been rallying, so I'm gonna try a long here. Maybe NQ can get going, push out of here. Let's go NQ. Yeah, NQ is just struggling to get its way out. Jesus Christ. Well, it looks like NQ and ES are both just NQ falling knife is all I see. Yeah, but we kind of we consolidated down here, so that's why I was looking to get long just off of the consolidation. But yeah, we might fall lower here. Yeah. We were also in demand too, so I decided to try it off of demand. But yeah, it looks like we're coming down lower now. Damn. Here comes the VIX rallying up again. Yeah, YM is definitely strong on the day, and ES was strong too compared to NQ. We ended up rallying a lot further up. Yeah, this market's about to bleed. This market is about to fucking bleed. Bleed, market, bleed. Oh, bleed, market, bleed, bleed, bleed. I did get in short on ES. Not very proud of this short, but yeah, it was definitely. I got in the middle. It was definitely a higher risk short here, but oh, what the hell? Oh, that was weird, bro. That was weird how ES just did that. That was weird. Yeah, definitely a higher risk short here, but almost to my profit target.
All righty, I am back. Just in time to see myself lose some money. Well, not lose money. Jesus, YM.
Come on, bleed down. I'm like 4 points away from my profit target right now.
Oh shit! Market coming down. Yeah. It looks like we came. Remember, I said I didn't want us to trade into that macro bullish because I was like, "Fuck." That means we're gonna come out on the other side bearish. But I was hoping for a miracle, and it did happen. But I'm still in. I was hoping. I was like, okay, as long as we can hold the low, though, we're good. Freaking ES and NQ are melting.
Yeah, they are. Come on, get to my profit target. Don't pull back. Just get to my profit target. Come on. All right, I'm about to take off some. I'm about to get out. Oh wait, hold up. Maybe not.
Oh, look at gold dumping. The whole market is dumping. Gee. Except for YM. Hold steady, baby. Hold steady.
You got long on YM, right?
Yeah, I'm still in.
Yeah, I'm still holding on to these shorts. We're almost to my profit target. 4, 6, 5, 6.
Thank you, 4, girl. Yeah.
We're almost there. Come on.
This is at 75.
Come on. We're up about 10 points. Maybe I should have closed it there for the 10. But we're still coming
What's
down.
Your plan? You targeting
46? I'm targeting demand.
Okay, 46.
That's our demand. Yeah.
Yeah, gotcha.
We're almost there, but I'm already covered. I'm already securing 4 points though. I'm in 2 minis, so
okay.
Yeah. I'll be green on the day, but if I get to my profit target, then I will be very green on the day, and I will close this account.
Good. Get motivated, baby. Get motivated. We came into that macro bullish again, which tells me I'm flirting with death over here on YM. But the tape looks like we could continue to push up. So I'm just holding it. And like I said, I've already accepted my fate on this thing. We could lock in a couple $100. We lock in $100 for my troubles. Nah. Good. I'm locking in 20 ticks. I wasn't here to manage it. I thought we could go. I thought we had a chance of having another crazy day. So, but YM is. ES is. Are you in your funded yet?
Yep, I'm in my funded. Yes, sir. Almost there.
Okay, relax. I was asking because I was gonna say you probably could get a lot more looking at this market right now.
I probably could, but
gold is. Oh
shit.
All right, we're still good on YM here. NQ is pushing. You don't trust bears at all? Well, it looks like looking at the rest of this market right now, this market is coming down.
Yeah, we're trying to push up though. Oh man, this is where it really sucks.
Take your profit. Don't be greedy.
I'm about to.
Lift your head up, man. Looking like somebody about to beat you, like a bad puppy, like a bad puppy, just to be like, don't hit me, please don't hit me. Market ain't gonna hurt you, bro.
Yeah, the market just hurt me. The market just hurt me bad. Damn, man. Bad. Oh, why did I just take my profit down there? Oh, that sucks.
Did you not take your profit?
No, I mean I got profit, but I'm back to being green on the day. But oh, that sucks.
Oh, let's go YM. Okay.
It was like a take away from my profit.
You see that, yo? You see that? Just patience. Patience, you know what I mean? Like patience pays, you know. We locked in a little profit and we just said, you know what? We just gonna sit and rise. You know, we gonna accept accept our fate, you know what I mean? Like it is what it is. Hey, good call, Trina, younger girl. She called that bottom. She's like, yeah, you know what? We sweep this low, we can bounce right here. Very nice, very nice, very nice. Ooh, you can ride her right up. You talk to that girl dirty. That's what I'm talking about. Such a dirty girl. Let's go. I am such a dirty girl. All right, come on, get above that high now. Stop playing,
girl. Nah, Dr. JC, I'm out now.
You all out, Jay?
Yeah, I got all out.
Yeah. Once that's why I was saying 56.46 was a potential, but you could have got more if we continue to push through this. But market didn't look like it wanted to do that. Come on, break up. Oh yeah, we holding this, baby. We going for the gusto on white today, baby. After that hold, you know I gotta hold it now. You know I gotta hold it now about this. You know I gotta hold it. I really didn't have to sit through it though. I wasn't here. I only had to sit through like 2 candles. I wasn't watching it in the car. I was just talking to my son and Pip, but don't fail here. Don't fail here. It's gonna fail. Stop it. All right, we're gonna lock in 200 now. I think that's fair. After a pullback like that, we're gonna lock in 43 ticks now. Yeah, because if this rejects, yeah, I'm locking in 40. I deserve 200. You took your bread already. I deserve to lock in something. ES is pushing back up here.
Yeah, ES is pushing up hard. Hard.
You're out of the trade, right?
Yeah.
Okay,
I got out for profit.
All right, I gotta use the restroom, guys. I'll be back. Jay, I don't know how much you caught up on the comments, but
I have not, but I'm looking to still trade, so
okay. All right, I'll be right back.
In a second.
I'll catch up when I come back. I care, but I don't care. This is a combine. I'm so euphoric right now. Like I could just hit somebody, so I'm good. It is what it is. Shut up, Jake. Like this guy. Okay. 15-minute looks really good, guys. Zoom out and take a look at the 15-minute on YM. Yeah, the 15-minute looks crazy on YM. Yeah. Oh, I ain't never scared. That's why I walked away. I said, look, I'm going to break even. Like, we can do whatever the fuck we want to do. Just don't tap us out, baby. All right, I'll be back.
Tap us out. Yeah, don't be mad though. I'm looking for this area on ES to hold.
Hey, Valdi, I noticed you got that split screen on your Top Step X, bro. I might have to steal that shit. Bless you.
Thank you.
The split screen where you be looking at the 1 hour and like the 15-minute or the 1 minute. I like that shit. Yeah, I'm about to steal that right now because the 1 hour on this thing looks like I need to go get a drink, go to the bar, hang out and shit, and then come back and be like, oh, okay, we got tapped in. Well, drinks on me. Drinks on me. YM is bae. I'm sorry. YM is bae, bro. Damn it, bro. You gotta actually do your job. All right, I'm gonna drop in with the YouTube family. All right, bloodbath. Okay. All right, I know I got
complete bloodbath.
All 2024 YM, all 2024. Let's get it, Potts. I've been on that shit. Let's go. NQES. All right, let's get it. 4, 1, 3, 4, 5 is a buy. I know, right? You gotta keep it quiet because we don't want too many people to know about US 30. You know what I mean? But once retail come over here, it's a wrap. It's a wrap. They gonna start fucking with it just like they do the NASDAQ. Look, gold, loans on gold look good down here. We're back down to yeah, I'm chilling. This is it for me. I'm holding this trade, and this is the only trade I'm taking. You looking to get long, Jay, or you looking at short?
I'm looking to get short.
Just be careful because that wick is a potential inverse head and shoulders right there. Look at the 15-minute.
Yeah, I'm looking at the 15. Yeah.
Because that wick did not cause a break of structure, right? That was just a sweep of the structure, right? So if you look, 56, 54 could potentially be holding. So I don't know what the tape looks like, but just looking at the structure blindly. How much are we up? Are we up 275? I'm not even looking at the trade. I don't even care. I'm genuinely not even looking at this shit. Oh no, you're up 275. I'm up 123. This shit's going. We're going. Oh no, I'm still in. Bro, look at the tape on this. I'm not cutting this shit. Ain't no fucking way. Ain't no fucking way. I'm cutting this shit. Yo, these bulls are crazy. We just gotta get above these 400s. Oh, is that what it's doing? Let me look at it. Yeah, I'm about to throw it on right now. Oh, on the 5-minute? Because it's nowhere near it on the 15.
I do this myself.
Yeah, it's like burning away from it on the 15. It's like nowhere near it. On the 1 hour too. Yeah, money's moving over here. Gold's pushing right off that level at 24.68. If you guys are looking for a good trade on gold, I just called out 24.68.50. NQ is all tech. Yep. ES is the strongest asset. That's stronger. Yeah. Or trade that. Yeah. I'm also YM strongest today. Bloodbath. I don't trust bears at all. Still short J Seals. Yeah, he hit his profit target. What's going on, Eric? Yeah, GC just took a dump. Yeah, I'm trailing. I'm watching this 15-minute candle. Yeah, this could be some real like dramatic shit, but I don't know. I'm trailing it. Anytime we come close to a 400 or 500 point, yeah, I'm just looking at the percentage gain though. Like I just think that we gained 1.85% yesterday. It wouldn't surprise me if the direction is up, if we could gain another 1% or so today, right? So I'm trailing mentally. I'm locking in only $200 right now. I'm only locking in the 40 ticks, right? Because I think that it can go much higher. So I'm just going to trust that thesis. And I really don't care. Like, I honestly don't care about this trade. Like, I care, but I don't care. Like, I care about, potentially loading up another express funded. But honestly, there's nothing that the market could do to me today that could piss me off. So that's just where I'm at right now. YM just like, I'm gonna do my own thing. Yeah, YM is just like, oh, y'all having problems over there? Yeah, we just go up this way. That high is coming back to 384. Yeah, I think it did that. It did something like that. 41363, holding 3, let it ride. Yeah. YM's already paid me for the day, so it's cool. One thing I will say is on the tape, it looks like we're having a bearish divergence where the buyers are buying. You see how we're buying, but the market is coming down. But it could just be us balancing price out of here, right? Like, so as long as we're not aggressively breaking through lows, I'm not gonna sweat it. If we start breaking through this low right here at what's this level? I'm just gonna basically manage this via the tape. But if we start breaking through this low right here, then I'll get a little interested in taking profit, right? So other than that, we're just balancing. That means we're either accepting price or potentially looking to dump from here. ES is looking like it wants to continue to push down. So if you got short up there, I don't know. It feels like a inside day on ES and NQ, and that's one of the main reasons why I didn't want to trade it. Because I said we dumped so much that it wouldn't surprise me to see us consolidate. Even though NQ didn't do much consolidating, it dumped another 100 points, but
yeah, no, it definitely didn't do much consolidating.
Yeah, NQ just dumped, but yeah. Oh, good luck, brother. Always.
Good luck, bro. Good luck.
Yeah. Send you an email is crazy because that's the classic. Yeah. Just look for my email, like, and then when you leave, you're like, get the fuck out of here. Yeah. They're not good. Yeah. They not doing it, bro. So right now we're either building a structure to go higher inside of this consolidation, or we're building structure to go lower, right? So being that we don't have targets, using the tape is important to me in this situation because I can define what price is doing and where I should be worried, right? With the candles, I can define that too, but the tape gives me a little bit more clarity in this situation, especially since there's nothing above our head, right? So right now, we edit this, I'm trying to edit this and bring this down because now I can zoom out a little bit. There we go. All right, so now we have our established low right down here at 320, and then we have our established high, which is a fairly obviously huge range. We don't want to be, giving up 100 points and then staying in this thing. But we can take this line here, right, and give us our secondary area here, which is our low right there. Okay, so that's kind of how I'm looking at price. I want to see price break above this, and then once it breaks above, I'm cool with price coming back in and retesting this. So, but if we break below it, then I'll consider getting out, for profit. There's really nothing to talk about on the other instruments right now, guys. There's nothing. They're doing exactly what I thought they would do. Like, Bay for now. Yeah. I'm a Rolling Stone when it comes to these charts, man. Like wherever the action is, that's where I'm going. I got 4 of them. If there's no price action nowhere, then I just won't trade. But I doubt that ever happens. So I can't trade gold, trader rate bugging, bro. I would not trade gold during New York session. That's just me. I was just calling out a level. I would not do it. Yes, YM has micros. Anything that you trade in futures, you just put an M in front of it, and you'll get the micro contract. Because I'm trading the whole thing. Okay.
Ooh.
Good morning, love to how far the channel has grown. Thanks, Tay 2 Certified. Appreciate you, man.
Oh, yeah, it's been a minute, Tay.
Yeah, what's going on, brother?
Yeah.
Including ES tweaking.
Real bearish right now on ES.
You guys were warned about NQ and ES this morning. Made it very, very clear. I will not be trading those instruments today. After a 300-point drop and a 60-point drop, it's just setting up for that consolidation phase, right? We had the markdown phase, and we could consolidate for the next 4 hours right here before we go back up or down, right? So when in doubt, zoom out. Consolidation, yeah, before expansion, exactly. I think NQ coming to 972 potentially.
I just think ES has to come a bit lower before it.
Consolidation never equals reversal. That's not true. Consolidation is it. Consolidation happens before both, right? There's consolidation before the markup or markdown phase, right? So one of them could be a reversal. One of them could be that the market consolidates before every phase, depending on it. Just the only thing is how long it consolidates, right? Like, but yeah, it can definitely consolidate before reversal. I would say that that's incorrect. I'm like, what happened? Yeah, I didn't see it either, bro. Like, I was like, I didn't even know it dumped until I came into my office this morning. I was like, what the fuck? Because I was watching gold. I was like, okay. All right, so closing this on the candlesticks patterns, right? Closing this candle on the 15-minute as a doji is never good, right? It could be a potential start of a evening star pattern evening star pattern where we start to dump. So to protect myself, I'm going to lock in 70 ticks out of 100. That's 70% of the position, right? Before the market decides it wants to do what it wants to do. I don't know what the market wants to do, but I'm not going to trust it. I'm going to trust me and the profits that are currently in front of me. So 80 ticks is what I'm locking in. I'm locking in 367, right? To protect myself, right? So that's how I'm going to manage this trade. You guys can do whatever you want, but this is how I'm going to manage the trade. I'm locking in 80 points, and now I'm officially done for the day. So either it's going to stop me out for the 80 points. That's 180 points on YM minus the 10-point loss. So 170 points on the day, all done, right? So no matter what the market does here, right? These are my parameters, right? This is what I'm willing to give back to the market. Essentially, you don't have to fall for what the market gives, right? You can fall once you're in the catbird seat. You can start to say, this is what I'm willing to give to the market, right? I recognize this is a potential doji candle that starts a downtrend, but I also know that sometimes in a bullish trend, these can just be rally-based rally candles to go higher. So I don't want to take it off the table, but I do want to secure some profit, right? So.
Man, ES is just struggling in this area to come down lower. I'm not liking it. I would love ES to just like baptize these buyers real fast and bring us down lower, but we're struggling right now.
Yeah, it looks like it's coming down. See how we're breaking that level, right? We want to see an instant recovery here. But if we don't see an instant recovery, then it's probably meaning that that evening star candle on the 15-minute is going to print. But you want to see this sweep this low and then come back. Remember, inside of consolidation, we anticipate a sweep of the low and then a sweep of the high. This could potentially be the sweep of the low that takes us back up. That's why I'm locking in right underneath that level. So if it sweeps that level, it shouldn't take me out, but if it does, I'm okay with it, and I'm out of the trade and I'm done for the day.
Is that the top of the trend that you're looking at?
Yeah.
Hobbs, are you looking at the top?
What do you mean? Am I looking at the top of the trend? Just
For that doji candle, is it at the top? Is that the top of the trend, or is it?
Yeah, it's at the top of the trend.
Okay.
We're in a bullish uptrend.
I was just wondering. I'm just not looking at YM right now.
Oh yeah. We're it's a doji candle at the bottom, at the top of trend, so it's potentially printing an evening star pattern, right?
Gotcha. Yeah, ES is just kind of floating around here at these just like, oh, we're not dropping, but we're just like slowly coming down, which doesn't make me feel great about this trade. But I am up and I am at break even because it's just not. It feels like the market wants to reverse here and go higher, so I'm just kind of playing this cautiously.
See how we swept that low right there? See it? And you see how we made that triple bottom right there? That potential inverse head and shoulders? That's what I want to see. And now I just want to see the buyers push us back above. So we came within a point of my stop loss or take profit right there. My stop loss was at 367. We came down to 369. But that's what I was willing to give back to the market, right? So let's see if it actually holds though. Now we need to put in a new high. We need to start trading above 433. I would like to see more aggressive buying, and I'm not looking at time. I'm kind of sending a tweet out right now. So, but that's it for me. Back to the lab. All right, all done. All done. Oh my God, Amazon is taking a fucking boom. All right, the move on ES was pre-market. All we got is table scraps now. Yep, that's basically what I was saying. That's why I said I didn't want to trade it, because I knew it was going to be on like straight chop mode, right? And if it was going to be on chop mode, it was going to not include me. Waiting for 1050. Is that what we're at? I literally have not been paying attention to time. I was tweeting and talking to the Discord. Let's see. If we're inside of 1050, let's see where we're at on the 1 minute here. Yeah, we could consolidate this out all the way into 1050 for sure. We could consolidate all the way back down if we can't find buyers up here. So I don't know. See what happens. Like I said, it can't hurt me. I'm already locked in. I'm mentally already checked out for the day, guys. I'm done. Waiting for 1050, then I'm done. Yeah, thanks. Where are you in short term?
No, I got stopped out for break even, fortunately.
Who clicking their mouse or clipping their nails right now? I can hear it. It's like click, click, click. No, don't try to mute now, trading yoga girl. I see you. I see you. I just heard some click. Was that Chandra? One of y'all. It was one of y'all, because I see y'all. I see y'all both go to mute. I'm like, it was one of them. I'm gonna find out who it was. Not clipping my nails. Somebody clicking their nails or clacking the mouse or something. The tape is frozen right now. I get it. It was your mouth. Yeah, I knew it. I know that sound. I'm trying to pinpoint who it was. I was like, who was it? Who is it? All right, I think we maybe stopped out. Let's see. Yeah, we already stopped out. Good freaking trade. Great trade management. You see how that 15-minute candle print led me to believe that we could potentially be headed down, right? Just based off candle structure and alignment. We had that 15-minute candle print, and that's why I started locking in profit, because I'm like, I know what this looks like. This means that the market is potentially starting to head down, right? It could come back up, but we're just in consolidation right now. We're failing to break highs and we're failing to make new lows. So most likely the market's going to want to trade down to find more buyers, right? So we still have that 9 EMA. Look for 41,288 on YM to act as support, or down here at this low, right? 41,320. Remember, we talked about this area as the market potentially coming back into here where the buyers originated from. And I was like, I'm not trying to hold for a 100-point pullback, right? I'm not doing that. But I'll give the market 20 points of my profit to lock, you know what I mean, to decide which way I want to go, right? So, but we have the 9 EMA sitting at 289. So let's see on the tape what sits at 289. So we can kind of define like what's actually sitting there. See, and 289 is right where that consolidation is, right? And this is where all the buying kind of originated from, right? Where all of these buyers kind of pause for a little bit. So it would make sense for the market to protect this area. But the sellers are coming in pretty aggressively. So I would prefer, if I'm going to do anything, I'm done trading, but if I was going to do anything, I would wait for 1050 just to see if the market wants to sell down into the 1050 macro. And then if it sells down in the 1050 macro, it'll let me know, or it'll lead me to believe that the market's trying to trade higher, right? And if that's the case, then I'll look to get long at or around that area based off the structure, okay? Because right now we're trading above previous day high, we're trading above midnight, we're trading above settlement. So the market is still very bullish as long as we're trading above 300. We could just consolidate up here all day, but if you're looking for an entry, these are things you need to start taking into consideration. Don't just jump in with a plan, right? If you have a plan, right, and you follow that plan, you hold your hat, win or lose, on that plan and execution of said plan, right? If you're just jumping in and out and in and out and in and out, that's not really a plan unless that's your plan, right? If you plan to just jump in and out and trade momentum, Godspeed, right? But if you have a plan of entry, then use that plan to feel more comfortable in your entries. So,
yeah.
Well, now we're below
the. We're now we're below.
Get quiet. I get worried about you.
No, I'm chilling. I mean, I'm in short again. I got in short on the pullback, I just think the market. I'm just looking at the 15-minute. I think the market wants to come down. We keep rejecting the high, or we keep rejecting and making lower highs, but we're also kind of in the middle of this range. So I'm just kind of. It sucks because.
Wasn't your plan to get long down here though?
No. Now that we're below, my plan was to get short.
Oh, okay. I thought you had a demand zone down here at 56.44.
Yeah, that's my target. But we just continue to, we're just, oh my God.
It's because it wants to go higher, right? So it still might sweep to your target. But if we have demand right underneath us, right? Instead of trying to sit through this choppiness, why not wait to see what we do at the demand zone since we're so close?
Yeah, this chop is just ridiculous.
And you can see that we've already made an invert head and shoulders on the 5-minute, right? You see how we swept the low at 655, then we swept the low at 53. The market's trying to move higher, right? I mean, it could fail. I'm just saying, like, you got this huge demand zone down here. Instead of trying to fight for these couple points, why not wait till the market's ready to potentially reverse and then long it for the much larger move?
Yeah.
But I mean, you're in the current trend, kind of. I mean, not really, because we kind of changed character when the market got above 657, but we're still bearish as long as we stay below 72.
I'm just watching carefully. If we can break this low, I think I'll be okay. But if we fail to break it, then probably just gonna get out for another break even. It's been taking a lot of break even trades. I think that's the most frustrating part about today for me. It's just I'm taking a lot of break evens.
Yeah. How are your entries?
They're good. They're solid. Solid. It's just taking a ton of break-even trades, and that's just been very, very annoying.
What do you think about just accepting the risk? of the stock.
Yeah. I mean, had I done that, I'd still be in this trade quite nicely. So yeah, that's definitely something I should have been doing.
Just to me, break even sounds like you're still afraid to lose, right? So you got to let go of that fear and just accept it and trust your analysis over everything, right? Like over what I'm saying, over what anybody else is saying. If you truly trust your analysis, that's the risk, right? Like your risk is $4.50, right, per month. So just accept the risk of the stop. As long as you're sized properly, you're everything you're saying in your videos, you need to start mentally thinking about that shit in real time. But every time these lights come on, you revert back to all of these bad habits, right? Like you're shorting the low right now, the potential low right above demand. We just bounced off 56.46, which was demand, right? You're shorting down here at these lows, right? You're expecting the market to do something that it shouldn't really be doing. And then instead of trusting your own thesis, you're going to break even, but that's not protecting you. That's essentially like taking another loss, right? Because you're still seeing your P&L go red. You got to start practicing what you're preaching to yourself, or you'll never even trust you.
Yeah.
Doc says, Jay Seals, appreciate the recap video. We all been there, real talk. Yeah. We all go through trading slumps. We all go through, the losses, but, as an accountability partner for Justin and vice versa, if he saw me doing the same thing and I just keep taking losses, keep taking break-even trades over and over and over again, he try to bring me to the carpet too, right? Like holding each other accountable, right? I know I can feel the pain while watching his video. I watched his video too, right? I can just see the pain that he's going through, but it's not going to stop. The market doesn't give a fuck how he feels, right? The pain's not going to stop until he stops doing the things that he says he doesn't want to do. Number one is follow your plan, right? He has a plan to get long down here. So why are you looking for shorts? To me, there's no reason to look for shorts down here, but it could work out. I don't think so, but again, it's not my analysis, but I'm reading his analysis and his analysis to get long down here. So that means that you at least have the idea that the market could reverse down here. So then why trade short into that? Doesn't make sense to me. And if you were to just say, okay, we broke above that high at 67, you know what? We pulled back into this low 50% of the previous high and previous low, and we're close to my demand zone. And I know that even though we didn't tap the demand zone directly, we tapped the wick. All right, maybe I should go long right here. YM looks like it's ready to take off again. I'm done trading though. I don't want to put any more trades on it.
Yeah, we're just in this chop.
All right, here comes 950, the 950 macro. I want to see what we do inside of this macro for all instruments, right? Like, I don't know who the hell is trading NQ today, but Godspeed. This thing ain't going no fucking where. But I think NQ may want down, which could bring ES down as well. It definitely looks like YM potentially wants to go down in this structure that we're seeing. But let's see how we trade into 1050. That's kind of what I'm waiting on. I want to see what we do at 1050. Because a lot of times you can avoid this chop if you just wait on time, right? Like if you just wait, time will give you a little bit more clarity. Because this shit is brutal right now on all instruments. What was your entry, Jay, for the shorts?
I got in at 65 on that last pullback.
65?
Mm-hmm.
Oh damn! You've been in this thing. You up 10 points already?
No, I already took profit on that one. Or not 65, sorry, 55. Sorry. 55.
Oh, I was like, damn, shit. What are you doing?
No.
What are you doing?
Sorry, 55. Sorry.
Okay.
I'd have been
I was like,
profit.
jeez, you should have been out of this thing.
All right, here we go. Come on, calm down.
Yeah, because if I want to get long, then your profit target should be able to get hit. I would just rather wait to go short, go long, but that's just. But like you said, your analysis is as long as we're below 68 or 7 or 62 or something like that, you're short bias.
Yeah, 66.
66.
Yeah. Yeah, it's been tough. It's been tough day.
Looks like it's trying to give you your food though.
Yeah.
You still in 2 minis in the funding?
Mm-hmm. Yep.
Like I said, I'm facing my fears today. Fuck you, Oz. All right, bet. Let's go.
Yeah, I'm trying to. If we get down to this low, if we get down to the low, and we look bouncy, I'm gonna cut one at the low, and then I'll hold the last one to the profit target.
Good, man. Good job.
I think we can get down to 40, to be honest, just looking at the tape. But
if this thing breaks down from here, trust yourself.
Oh, I wanted to sell so bad on that pullback. I ain't even gonna lie, but I held it though. I wanted to sell though.
You gotta keep your head up though, man.
The reason why I'm looking down is to look at my laptop. My laptop is like folded down. So
okay, wait, stop right there. You see how you talking to me right now? You looking down, but you're not looking in fear because you're in profit. When I say like you looking down and you be looking in fear, that's what I'm talking about. I look down all the time, but I'm not looking like, oh shit. You be looking like afraid, bro. You gotta fucking fight that shit because if you're afraid, the market will bring that out, right? So you got to be able to face that shit. All right. Yeah. So you kind of want to see us trade into this bullish right here on the 1 minute. Let's see what we do. You want to see us pull back right here. 1050 macro. 1050. Eddie's probably on West Coast time.
Oh yeah. He's on West Coast time.
You either want to see us come into this bullish or aggressively sweep this. And if it aggressively sweeps this, you want to get the fuck out quick. You want to get the fuck out quick.
Somebody is absorbing.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. If we sweep out here,
if we don't break this level, I'm out.
That's what I'm saying. I'm not even watching the tape. I'm just watching time. I'm like, bro, if this shit sweeps, oh boy, we came in. I don't know what to call that on BS. I hate those indecisive ass candles. I'm gonna say we came in bearish, so I would definitely be looking to start securing some profit.
Yeah, no, I think this might be the end of the road for me, ladies and gentlemen, right here. Because we're not breaking this level, and they are trying to sell. Yeah, I don't even care. I'm getting out. All right, that's it.
I was about to say, bro, just get out. Like,
I'm not even
secure the bag. You see all the red flags. Secure the bag.
No, I saw the red flags. I didn't even wait. I was like, you know what? I'm not even gonna let this go.
Cut it. I'm just sitting here like, you gonna cut it or not? Like, just cut it.
I'm out.
Okay,
I'm out.
Another trade.
No. I'm good on the day. That's a green day. I actually recovered all the losses from the other day. Not to mention, I might get some of those losses back from the day that I took or from this morning. So I'm good. I'm good there.
Good job.
Thanks. Good job. Now watch this shit flush to my goddamn profit target. But that absorption was crazy.
You shouldn't even care.
I don't, because that absorption was nuts. Yeah, that absorption was pretty insane right there. I'm not gonna lie.
For shizzle. All right, we're both done for the day. I'm not taking any more trades, not even in combines. I'm done. Like, I don't even want to look at the market right now. Like, I'm hungry. I gotta finish up laundry for me and wifey. I gotta go for my walk before it turns 200 degrees out here. I'm ready to go. I'm not taking nothing else. I don't care about PM session. I don't care about nothing today. I haven't really been feeling good today either. I've been a
feeling a little sick.
Yeah,
so.
man. Let's get off early so you can go get you some rest, take some medicine, man.
Yeah.
Get you some sleep. You probably like brain wise, right? Like you're so stressed. I can see it all in your video. Bro, just take a day and just get some rest, bro. Like, don't look at the charts. Don't do nothing. Just get some sleep. Take some medicine and knock the fuck out, bro. Like, just get some sleep. Right? Like, let this green day be absorbed. Lock your account out so you can't fuck it up. Like, just leave, bro. Just take some time away from the charts. Go for a walk. Go work out. Do whatever you need to do, bro. Like, just decompress for a second. You know, you've been through a lot. Like you got a nice green day. Don't go opening up another account and doing some other shit on another account. You guys see this double bottom down here, right at our purple line on YM, right as we talked about it, right? Yeah, so let's see if the buyers really want to push out of here. She said, "Yeah, let's see." Yeah, like just just fucking relax, man. Relax. Yeah, I'm fucking exhausted. Like I'm mentally drained today. Like it's halfway. It's hump day. I'm ready to maybe go get some Chipotle or something. Like, is my wife here? I can't say Chipotle. I don't think she here. I can't say Chipotle out loud. She'd be like, "You go without me." Yeah. Let's get out of here, Jay.
All right, I'm cool. Yeah, I'm cool with that. Yeah, I'm. Yeah. Oh my God, they're absorbing price heavy. Oh, they just broke through. Let's see what they do. Are we gonna
Justin, close the charge?
This is who cares? I'm out.
Who cares, man? You made your money. Let's go.
First of all, I already closed my trade. I locked it out, but
shout out to my daughter's elementary school, her old elementary school. I'm rocking her shirt today, so that's dope. But ladies and gentlemen, it's been an outstanding day of growth. Outstanding day for Justin. I'm very, very happy for him. Very, very proud of him for fucking sticking to his guns no matter what, putting that size on, managing the risk properly. I really hate that his ass was going to break even, but you know what? He did what he had to do. But look at this now. You still want to stay in this trade now, Justin?
Nah. Once we started absorbing, I knew it was time to go.
That used to be you, liquidate.
Nah, I knew it was time to go when we was absorbing price, bro. 5,000 lots got absorbed there. I knew it was time to get out.
Oh my God, yo.
Yeah,
Justin, that used to be you. That used to be you giving back all that profit, bro. Just take that in, soak that in.
I took my profit.
And that's what you're supposed to do, bro. That's what you're supposed to do. So, ladies and gentlemen, it's been an absolute pleasure. Please make sure if you're enjoying the stream, make sure you guys tip the barbers, aka hit the like and subscribe button, turn those notification bells on so you get notified every time we go live and or put out a video. Also, tomorrow is Thursday. I will not be in the building, so Justin will be rocking. I'll be in, but I'll be here a little late. I'm going to be rocking with Juicy Trades. He invited me to come on his Twitter space. If you guys know who that is. If you don't know who that is, let me see if I can find his Twitter real quick. Juicy. I just feel weird typing this shit.
Right. Saying Juicy.
Okay, so real juicy trades. That's crazy. Is his at real juicy trades. You guys can catch me on his Twitter space tomorrow. This is where I'll be in the morning, giving my thoughts on the market for the morning, giving my thoughts on the day for all instruments, right? YM, NQ, ES, gold, whatever they want to talk about. I don't know how the show is like developed, but I'll be in there with a couple other traders, myself, Pippi, this guy named Alfred is a time-based trader. So if you guys want to check it out, I thought it'd be something cool to do. He invited me to come on. So I'll be over there for the first half of the morning, and then I'll be back in the shop. But also, don't forget, if you want to help out the channel, use the Apex code scrolling down beneath here, right? We could use the support. We could use the extra bread. You already know what it is. Show some love. If you're interested in joining the Discord, $15 a week, $40 a month. It's been an absolute outstanding day. Like I said, no red, no losses on the, oh wait, one loss. Sorry, I did take a $90 loss before the pre-market. I didn't take a picture because I just cut it real quick. But other than that, clean day of trading for Justin and myself. We'll go back to the lab later on the night. We're going to try to go get some rest and get right back at it for Thursday and Friday, guys. But wait, when you gonna get a Top Step code? They kicked us out. We had one, and then they was like, we doing affiliates a different way.
Yeah,
so,
yeah, we had one, but we had to reapply, and the way that we had people buying Top Step accounts, but they weren't counting them. So I just stopped like trying because it was stupid. So
yeah,
I don't know. I guess
we can get them. We'll get them,
but I don't know.
Yeah, if we can get them, we'll try to get them. But you know, we're only so big, right? Like as we start to grow, then maybe Top Step will be interested. Maybe not. I don't know. I don't care. I'm about the growth in the product, which is the trading, right? And I'm about helping you guys out as much as possible. So that being said, my name is T Hobbs. That guy, I don't even know where I point no more. It's weird.
Nope, wrong way.
Oh, there you go. That guy over there is Jay Seals. This is the Trader Shop, and we'll catch you guys on the next one, man. Peace.